Students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today, in this new video, I am going to discuss with you one of the most important part from the writing section, that is letter writing. Although I have discussed it, the format in the previous video I have discussed it, but still some example and again we will revise as a revision. We will study the letter writing. Okay, students, let's start. So, letters to the editor of a newspaper or magazine forms an important part of the paper. It voices the opinion of the people and provides them a platform to express their agreement, disagreement, or reaction to the news and views contained in the newspaper. These letters raise issues of social, political, economic interest and generally center around public reaction. Sometimes a reader expresses personal clarification or issues denial. In short, letters to editor provide a forum to the readers to express their strong feelings and reactions to local, national, and international issues. Some important issues, some important issues format, same as that of the business letters. The inside, the editor ABC newspaper XYZ city. Salutation, sir, madam. Complimentary choice, yours truly. Now, there is an example, one question, deteriorating living standard. Deteriorating living standard means the living standard, the way people live, okay, that standard is now deteriorating. Now the question is, write a letter to the editor of a magazine, Expressions, New Delhi, on the deterioration in the standard of living in your city. Give suggestion for improvement. Sign yourself as PMR. Firstly, you have to write the address given in the question, 15A, Model Town, Delhi. Then give one line gap and then write your date. Date must be come of the today. Today is, as you know that, today is 3rd August, 3rd September, okay, or now 2020. Then give one line gap and then write the editor, Expressions. It is the name of the newspaper, okay? Kasturba Gandhi Marg, New Delhi, 1. Sir. Then give one line gap and then, sir, then give one line gap. Then write subject, deteriorating standard of living in the capital city. Through the columns of your esteemed, your reputed magazine, I wish to express my views on the deteriorating standard of living in the capital city of Delhi. What does the standard of living actually mean? Does it mean possessing expensive goods of comfort and beauty? Living in posh means rich bungalows, or the overall decent and peaceful living conditions including health and hygiene, pollution free environment, and above all a value based society. Considering all these, the living conditions in Delhi are really appalling. Dumps of garbage, heavy traffic congestion on the roads, growing atmospheric pollution, high levels of noise pollution, overcrowding at public places, etc. Throw ample light on the deterioration in the people's standard of living. Our lungs are hungry for fresh air and green belts. Green belts means key forests. The large number of immigrants from other states to Delhi put tremendous pressure on the resources of the Delhi. The housing problems is growing rapidly with lack of civic amenities. The life is so busy that there is little interaction among neighbors. Hurry and worry is what best describes the life in the capital city with growing consumerism and rising prices. The disparity between rich and poor is increasing. That is increasing day by day. Sometimes judicious needs to be done to remedy this situation. More green belts and silence zones should be created. That means the forest area and the silence zones should be created. The unrestricted inflow of people to Delhi should also be checked. Only then the standard of living can be improved. Yours truly, PMR. Now, the next question about the water scarcity. Write a letter to the editor of National Herald, New Delhi, about water scarcity in your locality. Suggest ways to improve the position of water supply. You are Ramnath, Rima of Ghaziabad. Now answer. Firstly, you write your address, left hand side in the corner, and giving some margin, and not start it from the beginning of the page. Give some margin and then start. Firstly, give your address. Address actually will be given in your question paper. Question paper A24 Kabhi Nagar, Ghaziabad. Then give one line gap. Now today's date, like September 2nd, okay, 2020. The editor. National Herald, New Delhi. Sir. Subject: water crisis in the Kabinagar. Now, giving one line gap and write. Start the writing through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the problem of water scarcity in our locality. It is still early summer and the residents are already facing acute water shortage in the area. The supply is cut off at 8:30 a.m. in the morning and is restored only half an hour in the evening between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Since the timings are erratic, many people, especially the working couples, are unable to store water. Frequent complaints to the Jal board haven't yielded any result as the authorities express their helplessness, saying that one of the tanks of the Hazarpur water treatment plant is under repair and has been shut down for a month or so, thereby affecting the water supply in the area. But it is nearly 1.5 months since the problem began, yet there is no respite to the residents. The Jal board should, in the meantime, make provisions for water tankers at a different hours of the day. Also, measures must be taken to expedite the repair work. Yours truly remains Rima. Now, next question: illicit liquor and anthrax. You are Himakshi. Write a letter to the editor of the Herald, New Delhi, expressing your anguish over the problems faced by people due to illicit liquor and the deadly chemicals like anthrax. Examination hall. Next, New Delhi to the 110058. Now, date of today. You should write your today's date when you are taking the exam. Don't write the date as given in this letter. Today is September 10, so therefore you write the September 2 या 3 या 4 as the date you must write on that day you are writing the letter. Okay, the editor, the Herald, New Delhi 11002. Sir, subject terror caused by illicit liquor, and illicit liquor means wine, sharab, and illicit means gair kanuni, and anthrax, the recent deaths. The recent deaths due to the consumption of illicit liquor and anthrax, the recent deaths due to the consumption of illicit liquor and the fear generated in the minds of the people on account of anthrax is a matter of great concern. We often hear or read about people dying due to the consumption of illicit liquor, but never come to know about the follow-up action or the punishment given to the guilty. What a tragedy! Families get ruined, children orphaned, but the illegal trade continues unabated. Why is our government so unapathetic toward this social cause, or maybe keep the eyes closed deliberately because the custodians of the law have their palms greased through these means only. palms greased means होता है बच्चों की जो है bribery means रिश्वत लेना. Okay, through these means only. However, we the awakened citizens must raise our voices against this evil. We must try to educate not only the children but adults also. Responsibility can also be given to the gram panchayats, and the best village or panchayat should be awarded if they fight against the if they are able to eradicate this. Eradicate means remove. This menace means bad thing. Dhappa, salar, from their villages. Another problem I need to address is the problem of global terrorism. The people have yet to recover from the trauma of the terrorist attack on the Twin Towers when they are confronted with a still more dangerous and threatening problem, the problem of bioterrorism. Prominent personalities in different countries are being targeted through the deadly biochemical like anthrax sent in letters. Is man degenerated to such an extent that he can kill another human being using such means? Degenerated means होता है बच्चों कि अपने स्तर से गिर जाना. Okay, the US government has taken strong steps to check this deadly act. However, if the guilt is proved on anybody, the persons must be given exemplary punishment to eliminate this heinous crime completely. I am sure that the concerned contents shared here express the views of many in the hope that sanity may prevail among people. Sanity means understanding. Someday yours truly. बच्चों ये योर truly होगा किसी लेटर राइट में योर truly होता है. Okay, Hemant. Now next question. Fear of terrorism. Write a letter to the editor of the Hindu on the fear that is spreading among people due to their anxiety over the widespread terrorism in the world. Give suggestion to curb such anti-social activities. You are Vikram Varsa. Now, firstly, you write your address. If address is not given, so you should write the examination hall. Okay, to Delhi. You should give the address of the Delhi 1100653 because actually we are appearing in board CBSE exams. So CBSE is actually located in Delhi. So therefore we have to write the address Delhi only, examination on Delhi. And now today is September 10, sorry, September 3 or 4 or 10, whatever date you are mentioning, you should write the date on the day you are taking the exam. Now next, the editor, the Hindu, New Delhi. और बच्चों मैंने पहले ही रखा कि आफ्टर राइटिंग योर एड्रेस यू गिव वन लाइन गैप, देन राइट द डेट एंड देन राइट द एडिटर, द हिंदू, न्यू दिल्ली 11002. सर, subject widespread fear of terrorism. Through this letter of mine, I wish to express my concern over the widespread fear caused in the minds of the people because of growing terrorism activities all over the world. Terrorism as a method to achieve political aims has become a worldwide phenomenon. However, the shameful and hideous terrorist attack on the Twin Towers in the USA has given terrorism a new dimension. The daring assault on the dignity and prestige of one of the largest democracies of the world has shattered the faith of the people completely. What is worst, it has left religious fanaticism behind as its offspring. The widespread communal riots as a fallout of these terrorist activities in India has instilled a great fear in the minds of common people. As it is in the crossfire of political game, it is always the common man who suffers the most. Stringent methods must be taken to restore peace and harmony in the country. One must keep the interest of the nation above the interest of the community or the individual. Sanity must prevail at all cost. You are truly Vikram. Okay, student. Now I come to the stray animals. The next letter is about the stray animals. Stray animals means कि the animals actually whose owner is nobody. Okay, they just wander from one place to the another. Okay, and make and also cause some biting. है ना, whether it is dog or cow, है ना, they actually cause some inconvenience to the people. Okay, now you have noticed many stray animals on the road during the busy hours of the day. These animals have caused traffic jam as well as accidents. You have already written to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. So write a letter to the editor of a leading newspaper telling him about the nuisance caused created by the stray animals. Sign your name as Preeti Krishna, C5 Assam. Now firstly give your address. Preeti C5 Assam 15 March जो है ना, in place of March you should write the date September. Okay, September 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever date you are writing the letter. Okay, and after this keep one line gap and then write the editor, the Indian Express, Guwahati. Sir, subject nuisance created by the stray animals. Okay, now एक line छोड़ के फिर giving one line gap. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities of the municipal corporation regarding the plight of the residents of Bow Bazaar while going to school at 50 past 8 a.m. I noticed many stray animals wandering here and there on the busy market roads. The position is almost the same, a repeat performance in the afternoon. Sometimes these animals cross the roads in a long, unending array, thus causing traffic blocks as well as accidents. These animals create a health hazard too by urinating everywhere. Huge heaps of dung are lying here and there. Flies hover means mandrana, hover over them and insects breed inside them. We have already written to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. The authorities are requested to depute officials to catch these stray animals and then send them to the police pen. Police pen means police pen, where actually the animals are being kept. That place is called pen. If unclaimed, these might be auctioned If unclaimed, these might be auctioned. It is hoped that an early action will be taken by the concerned authorities. Yours truly, Preeti. Okay, now student, I come to the next letter, letter number 6. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India highlighting the problem of the housing cooperative society to which you have recently shifted. Now, firstly, write your address given in the newspaper, B6 Saraswat, in their question paper, whatever address given, you have to write that. B6 Saraswati VR, New Delhi, 110078. Now September 19 September, 10 September, 5 September 2020. The editor, Times of India, New Delhi. Sir, subject, problems of Saraswati VR. I want to highlight the problems of Saraswati VR, a housing cooperative society to which I had shifted recently. I request you to give them wide publicity to attract the attention of the officer concerned. First, the colony has electric poles, but there is no provision of street light. There is complete darkness when there is a breakdown in domestic power supply. Second, the roads have uncovered manholes over the sewerage line. These have caused a couple of accidents, and an 8-year child was saved from death only yesterday. Third point, the garbage disposal system is very poor. Perhaps the municipal authorities do not take cognizance of the existence of this housing society at all. It is only one in a blue moon that a truck visits the area to collect household refuse. इनकी मतलब एक ईद का चांद हो जाता है जो कूड़ा इकट्ठे करने वाला है ना, जो लिटर या जो गार्बेज को इकट्ठा करते हैं, काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है उन्हें. May I hope that the authorities will pay attention to the genuine difficulties of the residents and take effective remedial actions. I do hope you will champion our cause, and yours truly, Avinash. Now next I come to the next letter, that is traffic jam. Okay, you are Aman Aditi, studying in Bharat School, Lucknow. The road leading to your school is very congested and full of problems. Students and parents are often caught in a traffic jam. In spite of several representations, the government has not done anything to improve the condition of the road. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India drawing the attention of the government to this problem. Now, firstly, write your address, Bharat School, Lucknow, giving online cab. Write the date, September 9, 2020. The Times of India, BR Marg, Lucknow. Sir, now subject, traffic congestion on Rajaji Road through the columns of your newspaper. I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities to the appalling conditions of the road leading up to Bharat School. The entire stretch is narrow, congested and covered with numerous potholes. Potholes means गड्ढे, रोड में काफ़ी गड्ढे हैं. This often cause a traffic jam and inconvenience to the students and staff of the school. A lot of time is wasted both in the morning and afternoon when the school buses have to leave. The school has filed several complaints to the local authorities, but they seem to have fallen on deaf ear. Deaf ear means कि सुनते ही नहीं है. अथॉरिटी को कंप्लेंट की, वो सुनते ही नहीं है. The situation worsen during the monsoon. It can also become dangerous threat to pedestrians. Pedestrian means who actually walk on the footpaths. On behalf of the school students, I request the authorities to take immediate action to rectify this condition. Rectify means सही करना, गलती को सुधारना. This condition, this improvement in the condition of the road will ease traffic congestion and ensure the safety of the citizens. Your truly Aman. Okay, students. So now I will discuss another letter, that is basic civil amenities. Okay, students. Now you are a resident of Mahalakshmi apartment, Pratap, Patparganj, Delhi. Your residential area is flooded with roadside dwellers who are deprived of the basic civic amenities like light, public toilets, and bathrooms. Right, letter to the editor of the Hindustan Times, highlighting the problems of these roadside dwellers and also the problems posed by them to the public. Give suggestions for improvement. Mahalakshmi apartment, Patparganj, Delhi. Now September 10, yes, 10th September 2010, the editor, the Hindustan Times, KG Marg, New Delhi. Sir, subject restoring basic amenities to the residents, reside dwellers of the Patparganj through the columns of your newspaper, renowned newspaper. I would like to request the authorities concerned to provide basic amenities to the roadside dwellers of Patparganj area due to floods. The residential area of the Mahalakshmi apartment of Patparganj has been flooded with roadside dwellers who are deprived of the basic civic amenities such as light, public toilets, and bathrooms. The local authorities should immediately set up tents for these people, provide medical and aid, and make available other necessities at the earliest. They have lost their herds due to the floods. Everything is wet and unusable. I am sure these lines in the columns of your newspaper will awaken the concerned authorities to take urgent remedial measures to the roadside dwellers. Thanking you. Yours truly, XY Arayan Mahalakshmi apartment. Okay, now next. You are Sunita, staying at Mayur Vihar, Delhi. Your locality being away from the main city. The poor bus service adversely affect the life of the residents. Right letter to the editor of the Times of India, highlighting the problems faced and also giving a few possible solution. Now, firstly, you write your address: 3 Ankur apartment, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. Next, one line gap, September 10. The editor, The Times of India, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi. Sir, transport dilemma. Through the columns of your newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned transport authorities regarding the plight of the Mayur Vihar residents. As you are aware, Mayur Vihar is a large colony on the outskirts of Delhi. The residents of the Ankur apartment are facing the brunt of the isolation as there is no bus stop within a radius of 2 kilometers. Since the bus connection is unavailable, other modes of transport like the autos and taxis also do not have a stand nearby. It becomes extremely difficult to commute from the place except in one's own vehicle. It is proposed that the bus service should be provided at the earliest so that the inconvenience being caused to the residents presently is permanently removed. Looking for means hope करते हैं, उम्मीद करते हैं. Looking forward to hope to an early action by the concerned authorities. Yours truly, Sunita. Okay, students, में ये बस स्टॉप पर अभी दिया हुआ है. Okay, तो आई होप सो कि ये भी आप कर लेंगे और ये बोथ क्लास 11th और 12th दोनों के लिए है. ये सारे लेटर आपको नोटबुक में करने हैं. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दिस लेटर्स इन योर नोटबुक. I will and post it in the school app, and I hope that I will check them and suitably I will give you marks on them. So okay student, thank you very much for listening and watching this video, and now I close this video and thank you very much for listening.